Hey everybody, it's Melissa here. And first of all, welcome back. I have had a couple emails from several of you that have asked me questions about the You Can Book Me app that we used last year for parent teacher conferences and possibly using that for open house. This would not, what I'm about to show you, would not replace what the office needs from you with their Google form. I just want to make that clear. But if you are wanting something to send out to parents to for them to be able to book appointments with you on your own page, an easy sign up that you can be sent out in the mail, Google now offers that for free. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And of course, if you have any questions afterwards, please feel free to contact me. So this is for you to send to your parents. You will still need to fill out the Google form for the office that will let the office know when people are coming in. So here we go. First of all, you have to go up to settings and you click on settings, go to the left, scroll down to where it says appointment schedules. Most likely your this will not be checked on yours, but you need to check create appointment schedules instead of appointment slots. So you'll make sure that that's checked. If it's not, then if it is not, also at the bottom of this page, you'll have to hit save. It will not allow me to scroll right now because I'm recording. But if you click that, there should be a spot at the bottom that allows you to save your settings. So then when you go back, you are ready to click or to make appointment slots. So I'm going to make a sample one over here on Saturday. So if I click Saturday, I'm going to call it open house. And then I'm going to go to the far right to appointment schedule. Then I'm going to make sure that the appointment schedule time is when I want people to schedule appointments. So mine will be Saturday from 8 to, let's say, 2. And I will want to be able to create a new appointment schedule. So I'm going to hit continue. Then over to the left, you'll see that this will pop up. I do want you to note your appointment, when you do an appointment schedule, it appears slightly different in your calendar in the way that it has these dashes over here. So that's how you know it's an appointment. It also has this little icon here. So anyway, the appointment duration, you can change that up. I'll choose 15 minutes. Those are preset in Google, so those are the options that you have. You can tell it when you want it to repeat it. I'm going to just keep it on Saturday from 8 to 2. These options here you can read through if you need to change those. The booked appointment settings, this is kind of nice because with the drop down, you can add like a 5-minute buffer between appointments. And you can also give a maximum bookings per day. So then you hit next. And then the booking page photo and name, you can change that up a little bit to personalize it. Location and conferencing, you can choose like a virtual conference. I would just leave that blank right now unless you really want to get into some details. And then, of course, you can put a description in so people know what your page is about. This booking form with this drop down, you can add different things if you want more than just a first name, last name, and email. Like if you want the student's name in there, you can click that. You can also require an email verification so that you really know who you're getting it from. And then this booking confirmations and reminders lets you choose how you will remind the parent of the booking. Then after that, you hit save. Now, what that does is that creates all these appointment slots over to the right. But for you to share it with your parents, I'd like you to go then to where it says open booking page. So when you click that open, that's going to show you what it's going to look like for your parents. So you can see that all these appointments times are available on my calendar now for someone to click in and to make an appointment. So when they click in and make an appointment, that will then book it on my calendar, so I'll be able to see that they made an appointment. So in order to share, all you have to do is go up here, hit share, and hit copy link. Once you copy that link, you can write your email to your parent, put that link in your email, and then your parent can go ahead and book the time with you. Hope that helps. Talk to you soon.